In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with dropshipping on Shopify using apps like Oberlo. Now, I know it can seem a little daunting at first, but we'll break the process down into simple, manageable steps so that you can get your online store up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. To begin, you need to head over to Shopify. Open up your web browser and type in the Shopify website URL. This is your gateway to the powerful world of e-commerce, where you can manage your store, track sales, and explore various tools and features designed to help your business thrive. If you haven't already, you'll want to sign up for an account or simply log in if you already have one. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, you're in the perfect place to start setting things up. Next, navigate to the Shopify App Store. This is an essential stop on our journey because it's where you'll find an array of applications that can extend the functionality and efficiency of your online store. In the search bar at the top, type in Oberlo. This app is a popular choice for many as it streamlines the process of adding products to your store and automates the fulfillment aspect, making life a whole lot easier for you as a store owner. Click on Oberlo when it appears in your search results. Now here's an important part of the process, installing Oberlo. Simply follow the prompts on the screen to add the app to your Shopify store. If everything goes smoothly, this should just take a few clicks, allowing Oberlo to integrate seamlessly with your Shopify account. However, you might encounter a hiccup if Oberlo doesn't appear in your search results. Don't worry, this usually means it's not available in your country or region. In such cases, don't hesitate to search for alternative dropshipping apps. There are a number of reliable options that can perform similar functions, so you'll still be well equipped to manage your dropshipping business. And there you have it. With the app installed, you're all set to start exploring its features and adding products to your store. It's a simple setup that opens up a world of possibilities for your online business. This is where your journey really begins, customizing your store, selecting the right products, and reaching your customers. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, offering you the tools and knowledge you need to embark on your dropshipping adventure. As you become more familiar with these platforms, remember to always be on the lookout for updates and new apps that might enhance your store's performance. Until next time, happy selling.